one of the things I realized is I forgot to skive on this. So I'm just going to kind of thin it down a little bit. And that's about it. So the skive is you're just basically shaving that leather a little bit. And this is something I know I need a lot of practice on. But the whole reason why I want to skive this is so that it's an easy transaction down into there. So skiving is you're just shaving it a little bit. And what you're literally doing is you're bringing that thickness down so that it comes in and it's an easy transition in between the two. So on that side, I've just got about to where I like it. Now, like I said, this is definitely a technique that's a tough one to learn. So I'm just going to come in and clean up that edge there too. There we go. So the difference is if you look at that edge right there compared to that edge, it kind of slowly transitions into it. I kind of got a step joint here, so I want to get just a little bit more. So that's that one side. Now let's do this side. And the whole point of that is just to make a nice, even transfer. Now it kind of frays at the end here. I don't know if that's just leather quality or I'm sure that's 99% of the fact that skiving isn't something I've done hardly at all, so I probably just need a lot more practice at it. So I'm coming through and I'm just trying to clean up the edge and make that even a really nice transfer there. So that's what I basically did. I went from this thickness all the way to it thins out. And that's the whole point of what skiving is for. It's to thin that leather right there. It's just to make it nicer. To make it nicer, just up the quality of the product I'm making. I could leave it where it was just the jump from the 4 to 5 ounce, jumped right straight down to there, but I want to really try to make a good product, so it's something I need to learn anyways, so I might as well start, and I really want to make this a good product. I'm going to skive this just a little bit more. And what a skiver is I've seen different kinds. I've skived a little bit with the knife. You know, I can get in there and kind of get a shape. But what a skiver is it's this tool. And if you see right in this opening here, there's a little razor blade. So in a sense, it's kind of like a safety razor, but a lot more deadlier. And you just kind of drag that razor over and you're shaving off some of that leather to make a nice transition down from the 4 to 5 ounce. And I don't want to skive it completely thin because I've still got a rivet that's got to go through there. So that rivet's going to go in there. So I don't want to complete all the way down to a flat taper because I still want leather there for the rivet to hold on to. And then this, I just clean that up and throw it in my little scrap bucket. So now that's done. Now I gotta go and I gotta talk to the person that I'm making this strap for and get it fitted so I know exactly where the point is up here going to be at and the point down here is going to be at. And I'll have to skive this too to thin it down so when it folds over onto itself, it's still only 4 to 5 ounce there. And I'll definitely show that process. But I just wanted to do a quick video on the skiving part, show you a skiver. That's mine. Some they come out more like a straight razor, but it's still got that little edge into it, and then you pull it back, and they call that one a safety skiver, where I think they're about the same, to be honest. They both use the same blade though. It's a razor blade sitting inside there. And then mine I just keep in the package I bought it to keep it all protected. Now that way it's all protected and doesn't get all beat up. And that's where I'm at with that. I guess now I gotta go talk to him and get it all set up for the next part. I'll see you guys then. All right, thanks. Bye.